On this video, I'm going to show you how to change the media steering wheel controls on the 2011 through 2014 model year F150s. So the first step is to disconnect the battery. We're going to be messing with the horn and the airbag, two things you don't want going off unexpectedly. To remove the horn button and airbag assembly, use a long narrow tool like an Allen wrench to press the release tabs. There is one on the bottom, left, and right of the steering wheel. It's easiest to remove them in that order. Before handling the airbag, it's not a bad idea to touch a metal surface in the car to discharge any static electricity. An electrical charge of any type has the potential to set off an airbag, which could injure you or others. Place the airbag in an upright position. This way, if it is accidentally deployed, it will not propel itself upward. Next, unclip the wiring harness from the controls. As illustrated, there's a small release tab at the top of the wiring harness. Remove the controls by pulling them outward at a 45-degree angle. Here's a reference of how the controls sit in the steering wheel. To install the new controls, simply reverse the removal procedure. Reconnect the wiring harness. And very carefully reinstall the airbag. You will feel the airbag assembly gently click back into place. Ensure that the airbag and horn switch are properly seated before reconnecting the battery. Go ahead and reconnect your battery now. And last but not least, test the buttons for proper functionality.